Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Pacific Union account, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Pacific Union account, begin by visiting the official Pacific Union login page. Locate the Forgot Password link beneath the login fields. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. After entering your email, check for a confirmation message on the screen. An email containing a password reset link will be sent to your inbox. Open your email and look for a message from Pacific Union. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you find the email, click on the password reset link provided. This link will direct you to a secure page to create a new password. Enter your new password, making sure it meets the required criteria. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in your new password, click the Submit button to finalize the reset. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Pacific Union login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.